What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best amplifiers in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off today with Cambridge AXA35, which fetched the title of the best budget amplifier that can be found in the market in 2021. Cambridge Audio is one of the most recognized and respected brands by hi-fi experts and has extensive experience in the field. The AXA35 model is the ideal starting point if you're looking for a high-quality stereo system to enter the hi-fi world thanks to its good value for money. It has an elegant dark gray finish called lunar gray and a fairly compact design. This product features a ventilation grille at the top, while the front side offers manual controls for adjusting bass and treble, and the balancing control. The Cambridge AXA35 offers a wide range of connectivity options. On the back, we find 4 RCA inputs for connecting other devices like CD drives like Cambridge Audio CXA61, rack out output, speaker terminal, and USB port. The USB port is valid for connecting a separate Bluetooth adapter if you want to listen to music via your phone. On the front, the device features an auxiliary audio input for a 3.5mm jack for connecting an MP3 player, phone, or tablet. In terms of power, the Cambridge AXA35 is an amplifier designed for medium-sized rooms and for connecting with compact speakers. It has an output power of 25 volts per channel to power 2 speakers. The frequency range is from 10 Hz to 30,000 Hz. This device achieves a very clear sound with a fairly neutral but energetic tonal balance, and you get very good definition with vocal brilliance. The sound it delivers is of high quality regardless of the source, either by connecting a CD drive or via an auxiliary connection on the front. For the listed price, this device is thoroughly impressive. Up next, meet the NAD D 3020V2, the best desktop amplifier available on the market in 2021. With this device, the front and top are made as equal parts, with a strongly rounded horizontal corner and a high-gloss finish, while the rest of the case is in matte black. At the top of the front side, there is a standard circular volume control, which has been redesigned and now fits better into the style of the device. At the very bottom of the front, you'll find a headphone output, the 3.5mm jack. On the lower parts of the sides, there are horizontal cooling slots protected by perforated gray surfaces, which is a welcome contrast. On the back, however, we encounter more significant changes compared to this device's predecessor. In addition to one-line input in the form of RCA connectors, there's now an input for turntables with an MM speaker. On the other hand, the number of digital inputs has been reduced and now includes 1 coaxial and 1 optical connection. Additional innovations include a pre-out for connecting an external output amplifier and an output for an active subwoofer, which are made in the form of 3.5mm mini jacks. In the central part of the rear panel, there are terminals for 1 pair of sound boxes, which are quite solid, made of gilded metal base with solid plastic cladding. Furthermore, a well-known power drive circuit has been implemented in the power supply section, which enables operation at low resistance and high dynamic power, with a very small degree of distortion. The manufacturer points out that the turntable section supports the recurve of high precision and has a built-in infrasonic warp filter. As opposed to vinyl, there is a Bluetooth connection. Although we are sorry that NAD left out the USB port on the new edition of the D3020 amplifier, this does not diminish the highly positive impressions. Coaxial and optical inputs are still available to digital audiophiles, and now vinyl fans are taken care of thanks to the presence of the gramophone input. It should be said that the D3020V2 allows complete remote control via a compact remote control, and there are also practical options such as switching to standby after 30 minutes of inactivity. Good stuff. Up next, the title of the best vinyl amplifier that you can find in the market in 2021 went to the Denon PMA-600NE. The Denon PMA-600NE is an integrated amplifier that stands out with adequate power and great connectivity support, which also includes a wireless option. The amplifier has that characteristic, elegant, and discreet look, great for use in all rooms and with any sound system. The PMA-600NE sports a classic design with the clear goal of avoiding any deviation from the standard in order to seamlessly fit into modular audio equipment. The focus point of this device is on the front of the chassis. Like many other Denon sound accessories, it comes in 2 versions, elegant black or classy silver. The center of the control panel is dominated by a large volume dial, next to which is a similar one for selecting audio input. The group of small buttons on the left allows you to adjust the bass, treble, and balance. Finally, there are small and discrete keys, perfectly integrated into the device's color scheme. The rear of the Denon PMA-600NE contains most of the connectors, except for the headphones located on the front. There are enough options for any user to take advantage of the high-level functionality by connecting a series of devices. This model comes with 2 optical inputs and 1 coaxial input for connecting from the TV to a computer and enjoying exceptional sound quality thanks to the integrated DAC. Furthermore, the audio circuit uses a chassis with a separate signal level construction, the SLDC, that guarantees top-notch amplification and faithful transmission of audio signals to the speakers. Then, there's the main transformer, which has a separate coiled wires for the audio and control circuits to eliminate any interference. Also, the Denon PMA-600NE comes with a built-in microprocessor that has a stop mode that protects the audio signal from external noise. This amplifier is compatible with PCM signals up to 192 kHz and includes a phono equalizer that allows you to play from sources with capsules. The Denon PMA-600NE is ideal for playing vinyl, now that they're back in fashion, providing vinyl fans with high resolution as well as intense and impressive sound. An easy thumbs up from here. The next product on our list for today is the Marantz PM7000N, to which we awarded the title of the best wireless amplifier that can be found in the market in 2021. The PM7000N is the first built-in hi-fi amplifier equipped with capabilities to facilitate streaming music signed by Marantz. As the company's staple stereo integrated amplifier, the PM7000N is equipped with some of the brand's most representative technologies, such as the effective feedback circuit topology used in circuits responsible for power amplification control, as well as hyperdynamic amplification modules. These provide a rather natural sound combined with extended dynamic range and low distortion needed to play the most demanding high-resolution digital music without restrictions. Additionally, a high-power power supply built around a low-noise toroidal transformer allows PM7000N to deliver 2x60 continuous watts of power. This is complemented by a newly developed preamplifier section containing elaborate volume control circuits that give Marantz's new amplifier the ability to deliver some truly amazing sonic goods. But there is more, as in order to maximize the isolation of analog circuits from digital interference or noise, the digital circuit of the PM7000N is installed in a protected compartment, while the separation of the analog sources is provided by an interesting functionality called Pure Mode. This allows the user to disable USB-A, network, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth connection and turn Marantz into a pure analog amplifier. As a component with built-in HEOS, the PM7000N can deliver high-resolution audio files encoded in FLAC up to 192 kHz. As for the classic connectivity, let's point out that there are 4 analog inputs and 2 line outputs. You can still use Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri with this fella. The Marantz PM7000N offers great speed and high precision, delivering an extremely natural, agile sound with spectacular definition, and all that without excessive cables. Wow. And finally, we have reached the gold medalist for today. The winner is Cambridge Audio CXA61, the best overall amplifier available on the market in 2021 in our humble opinion. Cambridge Audio CXA61 is designed for more demanding users looking for more power and more connectivity. This model has no manual controls for adjusting the source, no balance, no bass or treble. All these controls can be adjusted via remote control. Now on the front, we have the on and off buttons, along with volume and the selection of Bluetooth and USB sources. As for connectivity, the device features both analog and digital connections. First, as far as analog connections are concerned, it has 4 RCA inputs and a 3.5mm audio input on the front. In the part of digital connections, it has a coaxial input, 2 Toslink optical audio inputs, and a USB audio input. The CXA61 can play via USB, digital audio files in PCM format with 384 kHz resolution, and the next generation DSD256. Then you have the A+B speaker output connections, the preamp output, and the other output for connecting the subwoofer. In addition to physical connections, the device also comes with Bluetooth HD aptX for quality sound reproduction. You can stream audio from any device in quality up to 24 bits at 48 kHz. This is an important difference compared to the basic AXA35 amplifier, to which you have to connect a separate adapter. The The new generation brings major adjustments to this amplifier with improved capacitors and op-amps. The Cambridge Audio CXA61 offers basically imperceptible levels of distortion and outstanding electrical efficiency. All of this transitions into an amplifier with no power limitations. Prepared to maximize the dynamic potential of any speaker and capable of playback at any volume without unwanted distortion. The device features a completely redesigned digital board featuring the industry standard ESS Sabre ES9010 K2M digital to analog converter. This way, the digital information that reaches the amplifier is precise, accurate, and perfectly organized. The Cambridge Audio CXA61 achieves excellent texture and tone and does not miss even the smallest details. Along with any musical style, you'll get a premium device at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.